Okay, so we just spoke about ATP, and next we are talking about this enzyme. Okay, and this enzyme is what adenosine triphosphatase. So just like I told you guys, every enzyme is named according to what it's acting on. Okay, adenosine triphosphatase. We spoke about adenosine triphosphate. You know, so this is the structure of the enzyme. Okay, and we said that it's an enzyme that basically what makes it that ATP one phosphate to be taken out of ATP to become only two phosphate. That's what adenosine diphosphate. Okay, so of course, when one phosphate is removed, energy is released. Okay, so it now release energy that cells can be able to use. Okay, for muscle contraction, nerve signaling, active transport across membranes. So core function is actually what it mediates this process of ATP being converted to ADP. Okay, so energy release. The whole reaction liberates energy. Okay, which is harnessed by the cell and it drives all that was unfavorable. Okay, by cells to found in all forms of life. So it's a fundamental unit to energy production in all tissues and cells. You know, you can pause to observe this. Okay, so the whole conversion of ATP to ADP is by that enzyme. Okay, so types of ATPases. We have the sodium-potassium ATPase, maintains electrochemical gradients by pumping sodium out and potassium in. We have the calcium ATPase, regulates calcium levels in cells. It's very important for muscle activity. Okay. We have the hydrogen ATPase. That one is important for pH regulation. Okay. We have the V-type ATPase. We have the F-type ATPase. So it's very important in energy so that your muscles can move. You know, the activity in myosin heads driving the sliding of actin filaments. Also very important in your nerve function. Very important in your cellular transport. So transport of ions and molecules across the membranes. Okay, and also very important in how you can be able to breathe, and also in plants how they are able to make energy from sunlight. So diseases, well, if there's any mutations in them, it will make it that energy production in your body is not really much. So you are weak, muscle weakness, neurological issues, heart problems. Okay, so that's what we have this enzyme and its uses.